Where them fans at? Where them fans?
Hi y'all, this is Maddie from Maddie's Kitchen, and today I'll be making you all some jalapeno poppers, and I'll be putting it in my air fryer. I have some large jalapeno peppers. I have a seasoned panko. I have different types. I have some whipped Philadelphia, a chipotle, a topping. I have some Philadelphia regular cheese, cream cheese. I have some buffalo style chicken dip and some original whipped pimento cheese. I have bacon bits and I have regular sharp cheddar cheese. And those are things I'll be using. Get back to you all. Okay, I took and washed my jalapeno peppers off. I washed them, they real hot. Y'all be careful, because these things, when you take the seeds out, you will make you sneeze and burn your nose. I took the seeds out, and they were large. Try to get the large one. And you also can take them, cut them in two. I took the end off and cut these in half. And I also cut one, on top. You can stuff these like this. And this is a very simple recipe. All you're going to be doing is taking some, you can take all types of way. I have different things. I have some bacon bits. I have original pimento. I have cream cheese, chipotle style. I have regular Philadelphia cream cheese. I have buffalo style chicken dips. And I'll be mixing them together, sewing them together. And I'll be putting them in, and I'm also going to, I'm going to coat them with my seasoned panko mix. So I'll be putting just a little cheese in here. I have different ones. I'm going to try different ones. Put a little cheese in here. And I'm going to start with the old-fashioned one that everybody uses. Is the cream cheese. This is the first one. This is the one that most of everybody uses. I think this stuff should be room temperature. If so, I'm going to have to get back with you, because I think it's supposed to be that. And I'll be using some bacon bits in these three ingredients: cream cheese, cheddar cheese, and some bacon bits. And I'm going to take and put these on these jalapeno pepper. That's simple. That's a little thing for Super Bowl. A treat you can use for Super Bowl. And you mix these up here. Mix them up. I'm going to kind of let these get room temperature, and I'm going to get back with you. Okay, I did the original one with the cream cheese, cheddar cheese, and bacon bits. Here they are. Now this is right here. This is some pimento cheese, whipped pimento cheese. I'm going to try this. I'm going to put a little bacon bits in here. These are different things that you can try. Just put a little bacon bits in here. And I'm also going to put some sharp cheese in here too, because it's kind of soft. The cheese going to make it kind of chunky like. Hold it together a little bit. I'm going to put some of this and see how it tastes. I'm going to take and mix this together. You can buy these little dips in the store. I bought them. They're not that expensive. They were kind of on sale. That's why I got, I got these minutes. So I'm going to take and put one of these on, put it on here. It's pimento, bacon, bits, and cheese. I'm going to take and dread this and this right here. I'm going to put this here and put some crumbs over this right here. These are going to, I got that pimento. These will be some good party packs, snacks for the game that's coming up. And you can do them any kind of way you want to do them. This is right here is some, this is buffalo dip. I just use plain buffalo dip on that one. See how that tastes. Yes, I'll use a plain, put some of that on there. We'll use all different ones, getting ready for the little game. This is a simple, like I say, your kids can do it, have fun doing it. Put it in the air fryer. Only thing I'm going to put on this one is some buffalo dip. And I'm going to put some crumbs on here too. And these going to stay in the air fryer for about 12 minutes. And I'm going to get back with y'all when I finish all the different ones that I introduced you to. Here's my jalapeno poppers. I put different types of pimento, cream cheese, bacon, shredded sharp cheese, pimento, and also panko, seasoned panko. And I'm going to set these into this fryer for about 12 minutes. I'm going to see how it's going to come out. Set it in here. Okay, so it's about three. I'm gonna maybe raise it up a little bit. Start this. I had to get my glasses. I couldn't see that up button up there. But anyway, these gonna cook for 12 minutes on 400 degrees, and I'll get back with you when they finish. I'll probably open them halfway and look at them, see how they look, and get back with you all. Here's the halfway mark. They look okay. My first time doing them. Some of the cheese leaked out, but that's okay. But the rest of them, they're doing pretty good. I'm gonna put them back in that 6 minutes. I got 6 more minutes. So I guess the jalapeno pepper gonna get tendered in. Okay then, get back with you.
Where them fans at? Where them fans at? Where them fans at? Hit me one time.
Thank you all for tuning into my little demonstration of my jalapeno pepper poppers with cream cheese. I had pimento, chipotle cheese. I had bacon bits and regular cream cheese and cheddar cheese. I hope you enjoyed my presentation. If you did, share it with friends and family. Once again, thank you for tuning into Maddie's Kitchen and have a wonderful day.